All right, chances are you're here because you have an oven that is currently stuck in test mode and you're trying to get it out. Let's follow these steps and I'll have you back on your way in no time. What you want to do is focus in real quick on the gear icon with a 3 seconds next to it, all right? The one with the clock above it, hold that down for 3 seconds. And what you're going to then see is a number 1 flash. Push 0. If you push 1, you'll turn it on, put it in test mode. 2 will take it out of test mode. 1 on, 2 off. Push the start button. Wait a few moments. Time will come up. You won't see test flash again, all right? So that's the way to get it out of test mode if you have it stuck. So let me run this through one more time so you didn't miss anything. Hold that icon down for 3 seconds. It's going to do 1, push 0, push 1 to turn it on, push start. That will engage test mode, put it in test mode. As you'll see here, it will flash test in just a moment. All right, you want to get it out of there, hold that down for 3 seconds like it says. You're going to see 1, push that 0, push 2, turn it off, push start. You're good to go, all right? Hope this video helped. Got any questions, drop them in the comments. Make sure you're being kind to each other. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications. Peace.